Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha Nilwarke. Today's topic is the introduction to pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance. The pharmacon means it is derived from the Greek words. It is known as the medicines or drugs. Vigilance means it is derived from the Latin word to it means to keep watch or watchfulness. The pharmacovigilance, the science and activity related to the detection, assessment, understanding, prevention of adverse effects or any other drug-related problems. Detection. In case of clinical trials, it is the investigator or the case of post-marketing trials, it either the physicians or the prescribers or the patients himself who report the adverse events or the any drug related problems. Second, assessment. Assessment is the investigator or the healthcare professional in SCP would be assessing if the adverse events or drug related problems is due to the drugs or due to the some other regions. Third, understanding. Understanding is the reports or and the safety specialist is involved in the understanding the adverse events or drug related problems. Prevention. Fourth, prevention. Prevention is by proactively reporting the adverse events or drug related problems uh, to the regulatory authorities, and taking the precautionary actions would help in preventing the adverse events in the future. In futures, aim and scope of pharmacovigilance. First, patient care. Patient care improve the patient care and the safety in relation to the medicines. Second, public health. To improve the public health and safety in relation to use of medicines. Third, risk benefits assessment. To contribute to assessment of benefits, harm, effectiveness, and risks of medicines. Fourth, communication to promote the understanding, clinical training, effectiveness, communication to health professionals. Objectives of the pharmacovigilance includes and the objectives of the pharmacovigilance is the reductions of the frequency and the severity of the adverse effects of the drug while maintaining or the better improving their efficacy. Why pharmacovigilance? First, humanitarian concern. In humanitarian concern, the pharmacovigilance focus on ensuring that the uh, vulnerable, vulnerable population, especially in the low resource settings, have access to safety and the effective medicines. Second, safe use of medicines. The safe use of medicine in the pharmacovigilance involve the several key several key activity and the principle designed to ensure that the drug are used effectively while minimizing the risks of harm to patients. ADRs are expensive. ADR are expensive in the pharmacovigilance due to their direct impact on the healthcare cost, in financial burden on the patient, and the economic consequence for the pharmaceuticals companies. Managing these costs required a proactive approach to monitor, detect, and preventing ADR to minimize their occurrence and the associated expense. Ethical concern. Ethical concern is the pharmacovigilance focus on ensuring patient safety, transparency, justice, accountability, and the protections of the vulnerable populations. Promoting rational use of medicines, ensuring that the medicines are used appropriately, safety, and effectively ensure public confidence. Thank you.